Hi everyone, Devi.Lunaa here. I know it's been quite a while, but we're here tonight. And I'm going to show you guys how to make 3 cute Valentine's, DIY decor that you don't have to paint it off because maybe you're lazy like me or you just don't feel like painting. So, let's get started. This is a really simple Valentine's decor that anyone can make. Now, these are actually coasters from the Dollar Tree. These also come in red. The ones I bought are pink, and I apologize for the lighting. It wasn't the best. I did film at night, so you can't really tell the difference between red and pink at the beginning. But these are the same colors my top. Now, the twine that I'm using, I bought it from Amazon a few months ago. Honestly, it's not the best. I would recommend buying twine from the Dollar Tree or somewhere else so it's a little bit thicker. Now, I believe there are 4 coasters in each pack. Now, this is the final look. If you can leave it like it is, but I decided to add some ribbon in between the coasters to make it a little bit more cute. So here's the final look with the ribbons attached. So this is something that's very simple to make, but still cute. For this one, you can use real roses if you'd like. I use artificial ones because they last longer. I got this basket from Daiso, which is like a Japanese dollar store. And this is also known as box filler, if I'm not wrong. Now, I bought red box filler because I'm using red roses. I don't want anything to stand out from underneath. Just be sure to even it out when you put it inside the basket. Now I use 2 different type of roses. This one is actually light pink at the bottom and it has a little bit of red at the tip of the petals. And this one's just pure red. When I added the roses to the basket, I also added the leaves just to make it look more realistic and to break apart the different shades of roses. Now you can leave this as it is. It's pretty on its own. But I decided to add a little teddy bear just to make it more cute. And it's Valentine's Day. But if you don't want to use a bear, just use your favorite anime toy or a puppy or a unicorn, whatever you'd like. I found this heart shaped wreath at the Dollar Tree. However, it's very difficult to find. I had to go to like 2 different Dollar Trees to find it. So if you can't find the heart shaped one, just use the regular circle one. It'll work just fine. There are some people who prefer to glue the leaves and the flowers directly to the wreath. I prefer to have some sort of base like a ribbon or a tool because I feel like from my past experience that it helps as a base and helps from the flowers and the leaves from ungluing and falling off. I highly recommend you use a ribbon if you decide to wrap the wreath because it's thicker than the mesh. Because sometimes I accidentally touch the glue and I almost burn myself. With ribbon, it's a little bit thicker, so I feel like you won't feel the heat of the glue. I do want to let you know that I am speeding up the video here, but always take your time when you're using a glue gun because you do not want to burn yourself. Trust me. Be sure to leave a little gap at the back of the wreath because that's where you're going to put the nail when you hang it. A really cool hack that my grandmother taught me when it comes to crafting is use the little roll from the ribbon or the tool that you used to push down the flowers and the leaves so you don't burn yourself. Now, you don't have to add the leaves for this. I'm sure just having the flowers and the roses will look really pretty, but I decided to add the leaves just to make it a more realistic look. When I add the flowers, I like to be random. I just like to see what colors would go with the wreath. There's no specific technique that I use, but this is just what works for me. I'm really loving how this turned out to look like. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts every time I post a new video. I'm so excited to create new content for you guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.